Welcome to Freelancing 101, your beginner's guide to turning your skills into a source of income online. In today's world, freelancing isn't just a side hustle. For millions of people, it's a lifestyle, a way to work on your own terms, choose your own clients, and create the freedom to live and earn on your own schedule. But how do you actually get started? How do you go from having a skill like writing design coding, or even social media to landing paid clients on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr? That's exactly what we're about to explore. Let's start with the basics. Freelancing means offering your services to individuals or businesses without being tied to one employer. You work independently, often remotely, and take on short or long-term projects, depending on your preferences and client needs. But freelancing is more than just remote work. It's about building a business around your skills. Whether you're a high school student, a stay-at-home parent, or a full-time employee looking for extra income, freelancing can fit into your lifestyle. In fact, platforms like Fiverr and Upwork have made it easier than ever to connect with global clients. If you're starting from scratch. So the next question is, what can you freelance? Here's the truth. You probably already have a skill someone would pay for. Can you write articles, resumes, or social media captions? Can you design logos, flyers, or business cards? Are you good at video, editing, voiceovers, or managing Instagram pages? Maybe you know how to build websites, debug code, or run ads. Even if you're just starting out, there's space for beginners. Many clients are looking for affordable help and are willing to work with someone new as long as you're professional and deliver results. Still unsure? Try this. List 3 things you're good at or enjoy doing and search for those services on Fiverr or Upwork. You'll be amazed at what people are paying for. Now, let's talk about where to sell your services. 2 of the best platforms for beginners are Fiverr and Upwork. Here's the difference. Fiverr is a gig platform. That means you create service listings like I will design a professional logo for $25. Clients browse and choose you based on your gigs. Fiverr is more passive. You set it up, and clients come to you. Upwork is more active. Clients post job listings, and you apply by sending custom proposals. It's like bidding for work. This means you have to be more proactive, but it's also easier to target specific projects that match your skills, which is better. It depends. Fiverr is easier to start, especially if you're shy or prefer not to write proposals. Upwork may give you more flexibility and control over the types of projects you take. You can try both, but start with one and master it before spreading yourself too thin. Our profile is like your online resume, but better. This is your chance to stand out. So how do you make it shine? Start with a clear professional profile. Picture a friendly headshot with good lighting is all you need. Then focus on your bio or description. Think of it like this. Who are you? What do you do? How do you help clients solve a problem? Here's a simple formula. Hi, I'm insert your name A, your skill specialist who helps type of clients with type of results. I focus on delivering key benefit with every project. Example, I'm a creative graphic designer who helps small businesses create bold, eye-catching logos and branding that make their company stand out. Next, add portfolio samples. Even if they're personal or mock projects, clients want to see what you can do. Don't forget to list your skills, certifications, and tools you're familiar with, like Photoshop, WordPress, or Canva. Build credibility.